Have you ever encountered the Wyze error code 3840? It's a troublesome issue that often appears when launching the Wyze app, displaying the message, "Failed to update device list." This error is not new, and has been known to cause significant frustration among users in the past. Typically, it occurs when there is a system-wide problem with the Wyze service. But fear not, for today, we will walk you through some potential solutions to this problem. The first step in addressing the Wyze error code 3840 is to try some general workarounds. Begin by force closing the Wyze app multiple times. Sometimes, this simple action can resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, check if there are any updates available for the Wyze app. Updating the app can often fix hidden bugs or errors, and may resolve the issue at hand. Despite an update, if the error continues to persist, consider restarting your phone. This action can often refresh your device's system and potentially rectify the error. Also, take a moment to examine your internet connection, as issues with speed and stability could be a contributing factor to the error. One user on the official Wyze forums discovered that the problem lay with his network Wi-Fi channel settings. Upon switching to an unused channel, the problem was resolved. This might be a solution worth exploring. If none of these methods yield results and the error continues to occur, it's highly likely that the issue lies not with your device or network, but with Wyze's system. In this case, it would be advisable to check the Wyze system status. To do this, refer to the Wyze service status and known issues page. However, bear in mind that Wyze may not always update its service status page in real time during an outage. Therefore, it could be beneficial to also visit Down Detector, a useful tool that can help you track service outages for Wyze. In conclusion, Wyze error code 3840, though frustrating, can be addressed through a series of steps. These include force closing the app, checking for updates, restarting your phone, adjusting your Wi-Fi channel settings, and checking the Wyze system status. Remember, it's always important to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, as this can often be a contributing factor to such errors. Good luck. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.